Hi, in this video we are going to implement column layout in Flutterflow page. So basically column layout it will use to distribute all widget and child element in a vertically. So when we need to vertically design in our page, then column layout it will use to in our page. And now we are going to add column layout. First I click in a child widget, then search here column and click on column layout. Now column layout it will added, and now also I add to one container. Now one container it is used here, and I change its background color, and again I add to container. Now second container is also added. So first container it is display in first, and second is added below upper container, so it is adjust in vertically. Now I also change its background color. So now I duplicate this container. Container. I also change its background. Now we can see that the number of widgets or number of elements which are added under the column, it will display in a vertically. Now we can add here its padding alignments. When you click in center, then it will show in adjust in a center. When I select left, then leftly it is red, and if I click right, then right it is going to adjust. I click on a center, and also it has when I click left side, then left side it will adjust it, center, right, and stretchable. Currently I select stretchable and central. So it is a column properties. Again I select column. If I click uniform padding, then here drag and adjust padding. So this way we can add the column layout in a Flutterflow.